This quote by Samuel Beckett is one of the greatest quotes ever. Ever tried, ever failed. No matter. Try again, fail better. Samuel Beckett hit it right on the head. Having the mindset where failure is just part of the process. It's to be expected. It's not an end in and of itself. No, failure is part of life. It's how we learn. And if you keep that mindset, life gets a lot funner. Life gets a lot better, right? Think about it. Everything we learn, from speaking to math to riding a bike, it doesn't matter what it is. Nobody mastered anything on the first try. Pretty much nobody has mastered anything on the absolute first try. Michael Jordan definitely wasn't the pro basketball player when he first started. LeBron James, Tiger Woods, doesn't matter, right? Why is it that we, i.e. so many realtors, are afraid to fail? We're afraid to make phone calls because we're afraid of rejection. We're afraid of putting ourselves out there and asking for a sale because we're afraid of rejection. I can tell you so many agents who have probably never made a cold call, never done an open house, never actually door knocked, probably may or may not have ever sent a mailer out or an email out to their database. I mean, fear of failure prevents so many people from attaining greatness. And remember this quote, okay? Ever tried, ever failed. No matter. Tried again, failed again, fail better. Enjoy what we do. Enjoy learning. All right? If you just had somebody get mad at you and cuss you out on the phone, turn around, find the person next to you, give them a high five, say, I just got cussed out. I'm one step closer to my win. That's awesome, guys. Have that mindset where failure is not the ending in and of itself. It's just part of the process. It's how we learn, and it gets you one step closer to your win. I think it was Edison when he was talking about the light bulb, and he didn't find, he found 99 ways that it didn't work before he found the one way it did. Those weren't all failures. They were learning lessons. He won in the end because he never gave up. Ever tried, ever failed. Don't be afraid of failure. Let's embrace it today. That's my challenge for you today. Embrace failure. See how many times you can fail today, because it's your trip, it's your path to winning. Have an awesome day, guys. Talk to you later.